realize that many people around us are feeling disconnected and isolated from everyone and lack real conversation. So we created an application for these people. So when you sign up, you can mention anything you want. So you don't have to upload your picture, you don't have to mention your gender, you don't have to mention your age. Just mention your interest, hobby, and what do you want to talk about. Based on that, and based on your location, we do match with another person that you can talk to, and you have the same topic for a conversation, so that's how you match. And you can connect with this person, so you can text a message and offer a conversation, and you can meet if another person is willing to. Awesome. Thank you.
I don't suppose you want to try out a conversation flow? Do you want to try out a conversation flow? So you, for example, you pretend to be the chat, and M can be the customer?
Yeah.
You want to try a reenactment of that flow?
I think it's two different people, so it's not a
Oh, it's two people. Sorry.
Yeah, it's two different people.
Okay, in that case, I can be the other person.
I can be the other
Oh,
person.
Andy, jump in. All right, perfect.
I'm Bob.
All right.
Cool. Okay. So I'm feeling like I need I want to meet people and talk to them
Yeah,
about
like
things.
all my friends, for example, all my friends are away somewhere,
Okay.
and I don't have a person to talk to.
Yeah.
I'm feeling very lonely
And I select my interests on the
Yeah.
app. Okay. Those are my interests, and then does it just show me who's the match?
And the second question is, what do you want to talk about at the moment?
Okay.
So you choose the topic,
Okay.
And
So I have
then-
to type in what I want.
Yeah.
Okay.
and then you, based on this topic, you get a match with another person that is interested in this topic.
Okay. What if I don't know what I want to talk about? And I just
We have
some-
options. I thought about it. I think we will mention options, so it's like many options
Okay.
for all the people that are using application.
Okay, cool. Okay, so I choose my option, and then it matches me with someone called Andy.
Hello. I also want to talk about this option.
And why is it, for example, different from Tinder that you don't mention your gender, you don't mention you don't upload the pictures, so
Okay.
you feel safe that
Okay.
it's not like for a particular purpose.
Okay, cool. How do I know that that person isn't going to be some scary online cyberbully person that's going to make me feel bad?
So you have a chat with the person,
Yeah.
and based on this conversation, you decide do you want to meet him or her.
Okay. Can I rate them if they're nice or not as well, in
Yeah.
case someone else gets the bad person?
Yeah,
Okay.
because everybody has a profile, so you can.
Okay.
match.
Cool.
4 stars.